How to add Arogan Network on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add Arogan Network on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the MetaMask, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in into your account, now look at the right side of your screen where you can see this plus icon, tap on it. Now hit the search bar and search by Arogan Network. You are looking to add Arogan Network, right? Just check the box. Once you check it, now tap on next and hit the import button. As soon as you click on import button, Arogan Network will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Arogan Network on MetaMask application. If you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.